Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for watching it and getting me involved. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, really appreciate all your support. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at Verasity here. As we can see, really not that much has changed over the past week or so. It's still very low volume and interest in the markets here. You can see in this local area we really are just chopping it up, pretty much in and around that 0.23 Fibonacci level at around 0.5%. Not to mention that resistance of the descending wedge, currently heading down at around that level here as well. You can see really since the start of the year we've just had a big pump and we are currently correcting still inside this descending wedge for Verasity. Really not that much else to say in terms of the macro. You can see here obviously big consolidation at the epoch initial formation of Verasity, huge pump, overextension, and then we corrected down, didn't we, in this bear market. Very big prolonged correction here, and then obviously just the breakout of the bear market resistance, and now currently retracing inside the descending wedge. I really do think that the next target is up towards that 618 at around 2 cents. Once we do start to see the markets getting going again, in my opinion, it's hard to know how long this is going to take. Obviously, if Bitcoin is heavily leading the market as it always does in bear markets, but right now we are just waiting essentially for that scenario, aren't we? The big pump, prolonged correction, consolidation, nice back test of these previous areas of structure, and then getting that break at least back up to that 1 cent level, and then the extension up through the Fibonacci levels once we do start to see a bit more extension. Right now we are just retracing, back testing and consolidating, making nice bits of structure before the next move to the upside, really, aren't we? And overall, I mean, if you believe in this kind of stuff, I'm not saying that I do or I don't, but we're in this big ascending channel, aren't we, for Verasity. You can see it quite clearly here. Back test, resistance, and now we've come down, we've tested support. And I mean, you could see yourself come down, test support again down here around, what is this 1.5 of a cent level, which is ridiculous to say, before we potentially doing something like this, aren't you? Come down, double back test, and then running up potentially back up to the top of this ascending channel for Verasity going into the bull market. And I mean, you've got some very juicy price targets up here realistically in 2024, haven't you? Going into the end of 2024 here, we could be looking up towards that $1 level for Verasity. Long term, I'm very optimistic about this crypto. I do think it's going to do extremely well. But in terms of the short term, why is this not auto? There we go. In terms of the immediate short term, we continue to wait for more interest and movement in the market, don't we? And that is really it. So thank you as always for watching. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.